Here, you can make a movie. Here. Here, make your movie.
Here, let her see. You can see in the back.
See? You can make your movie now.
You make a movie.
There you go.
See what you're taking a picture of?
What are you taking a picture of?
The floor.
The carpet?
Yeah.
Oh,
no.
there you go.
Photography at its best.
Now you're eating the tripod holder.
And
That's good.
It's upside down movie.
It's filming your foot. Yes. Good shot up your nose. Yes. Yeah, that's a good shot. Yeah.
Now it's shooting my knee.
Oh my goodness.
That's quite a movie. It's a little NYPD Blue, isn't it? Are you getting sick? That's your lip. It's an interesting shot. Half in your mouth, half out of your mouth.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
I think this is going to get the most views on YouTube of all the movies out there. You've got your hand over the lens now. Alright, it's a wrap. This is a picture of the director. Yeah.